Everyone is familiar with using electricity. Lights, computers, and appliances all draw power from the grid. What is unfamiliar is where that energy comes from. The average American household uses the equivalent electricity of leaving 12 100-watt light bulbs on all the time, 24 hours a day. One bulb is powered by renewable energies, 2 by nuclear, 3 by natural gas, and 6 bulbs are powered by coal. For now, let's just focus on the 6 running on coal. This represents the average American home. 4 occupants, 2 are male, 2 are female, and they are still running 6 100-watt light bulbs powered by coal. Coal-fired power plants produce electricity by burning coal, a fossil fuel, and using the heat to create steam. The steam rotates a turbine, which turns a generator, creating the electricity being used by the 6 light bulbs in each household of 4 people. The process of burning coal releases the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. To run the 6 light bulbs in each household, coal power plants emit the equivalent of 1 balloon's worth of CO2 per house every 5 minutes. This is 1 minute going by every second. Burning coal also produces solid waste. The amount of waste produced is approximately 2 rail cars a minute. Coal burning is highly toxic, and the people living close by are immediately affected. Coal power plants cause 1 in every 10 women to have mercury levels unsafe for having children. When we view the effects of coal burning at an hour every second, the numbers start to get big. Each house still has 6 100-watt light bulbs, creating 12 balloons of CO2 every hour. The solid waste coming from all the coal plants is equal to 114 rail cars every hour. Everyone within 5 miles of a coal plant is directly affected by its pollutants and waste. Each home has 4 people living in it, and they're all still running the 6 light bulbs and emitting 12 balloons of CO2 every hour. The United States has over 600 coal plants producing electricity. That's over 600 times all those people being directly affected by the pollutants. After adding the rest of the population of the USA, each 4-person home burning 6 100-watt bulbs running on coal power, we're seeing 19,360,000 balloons a day and 2,740 rail cars a day. As we watch our atmosphere filling up with balloons and the rail cars of waste piling up, we need to consider one more thing. As we move forward, the demand for power is increasing. If we stick with coal power, the U.S. would need to build 100 new coal plants to meet the demand. Not to mention that the train of rail cars full of waste, by this point, would wrap around the Earth 8 times. So what's the solution to all this? How do we stop our electricity generation from impacting the whole world at such a large scale? The answer is in clean power. With a home solar system, you can bring the solution right to your rooftop. Suddenly, you're cutting miles of transmission lines, power plants, and balloons of CO2 out of the picture. Make your energy closer to home. To learn